Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video, we'll be talking about the fundamentals of digital marketing. So I'll be walking you guys through the theoretical explanation of digital marketing concepts and background. What is digital marketing? And lastly, we'll be looking at the various concepts of digital marketing. So let's get right in. Now, in recent times, because of the pandemic that happened last year in 2020, uh, digital marketing actually changed the way we do business. That is, we more like focus on the online version of marketing our products and services than the traditional means of marketing that we are used to. So what exactly is digital marketing that we have been talking about? Digital marketing is simply advertising through digital channels such as social media, mobile applications, email, web applications, search engines, websites, and any other digital channels. So in a simple term, that is in a layman's language, it's simply marketing your products, services, or brand online. So what are actually the various concepts of digital marketing? And of course, a lot of people think that digital marketing is strictly online, but that's actually wrong, because digital marketing is actually has its online and offline part. Of course, the offline part can be the television and etc. all that. But in this course, we focus on the online part of digital marketing. So the first concept of digital marketing I'll be looking into is the search engine marketing. Of course, the search engine marketing typically involves promoting your business on search engines by improving your website's visibility on search engines through paid ads. Okay. With SEM, you push your website to the top of the search engine result pages. So it simply means that you use paid search ads to rank high on search engines, so prospects, that's your potential clients, can find you first when in need of your products or services. Okay. So of course this happens on search engines like Google, Bing, Ask, Yahoo, etc. But we all know that Google carries or has the highest market share when it comes to search engines. So uh, looking at this picture, on the left hand side, we searched for search engine marketing, and on the right hand side, we searched for SEM. So on the left hand side, when we search for search engine marketing, the two results, this is the first and second result that came out of it. And if you look at what was I or what's highlighted on this video, you'll see the AD, which simply means adverts. Okay, so this simply means that the first and the second result that was displayed on search engine, it's an advertisement. That's SEM. And you check the right hand side, you find out that the first one is also SEM, that's search advertisements on search engine, and the second it's not, which is simply an organic search result. Okay, and also take a look at the first on the left hand side. The first result links to Google, and the second one links to Bluehost. Of course, we reference this back down the line on the one we'll be dealing in one of our concepts of digital marketing, and I'll explain further why I asked you to note that. So moving to the next one to talk about the organic parts of the search engine result, that's the search engine optimization. And search engine optimization majors on making your business website rank top in search engines such as Google, etc. And it strongly relies on the use of keywords that are specific search terms, which users will type into search engines when looking for your products or services. Okay, and of course, this is basically to get organic ranking on search engine. Okay, and of course, we highlighted the word keyword because it's very, very important in digital marketing. Talking about keywords, search engine marketing that we searched on the search engine is actually a keyword. The SEM rush that we search for, this SEM rather that we search for is a keyword too. Now, if you take a look at the results on the left hand side, you find out that the first and second result is also or is still an ad on the left hand side. But the right hand side, the first is an ad, the second is not. That's the organic part, and this is as a result of the SEO, the optimization that was done on the website. That's later on down the line when we'll be talking about the SEO proper. You'll find out that we'll have the on side and the off page. the on-page and off-page SEO. Okay, so because of the works that have been done between these two, that's what resulted to this particular website being the number one organic on the search engine. And if you can remember when I asked you to note something down on the left hand side, you'll find out now that the first result that is displayed on the ads is the Bluehost, while the second one is SEMrush, unlike before, where we'll have the Google and the Bluehost. So keep that noted, because this will now move us to the next concept that I'm looking at, which is the pay-per-click advertisement. That's PPC. And of course, this is basically advertising. Which is actually an aspect of search engine marketing, but it's not fully restricted to search engines. Okay, reason being that in recent times, other advertising platforms have actually adopted this means of advertising, whereby in Facebook you will see payments per results, their landing page views, or maybe payments per link clicks and all that. But basically, that's what search engines use, because they use that to determine which particular URL they display first or the other via bidding strategy. Of course, the highest person that has the highest money, per se, or funds or budget to push up an ad, to spend on displaying an ad. That's how they determine who actually push out to on the search engine. Okay, so on a broad note, it is typically on advertising where advertisers pay for every time their ad is clicked. So explaining this further, it's simply, we have to bring back these two results again. And it's simply when I probably click on the left hand side, that's the Bluehost, the second result, Bluehost. Bluehost is now charged for these ads because I clicked on it. Whether I land on the page or I don't land on the page, that's not Google's business. What they know is that they have actually generated a result for you, or a link click for you, okay? So that's as a result of the payment per click. Now, why I asked you to note that initially is that in this particular search result, when we search for it the first time, it displayed Google and Bluehost because of their bidding strategy. Okay? Now, when we search for it the second time, it actually displayed Bluehost and SEMrush because at that point in time, the bidding that was in progress, Bluehost and SEMrush overbid the other people or the other agencies or brands that are actually bidding for a spot on this particular keyword, that's search engine marketing. I don't know if that explains further. Maybe when we'll be discussing more on the concepts of digital marketing, that's where we'll probably explain further this bidding strategy and how it works actually. So looking at the next concept, that's the content marketing. Content marketing, as the name implies, involves a strategic distribution of consistent content to attract and retain a target audience with the aim of nurturing them into conversions, that's paying customers. Okay, so this can be either valuable, entertaining, relevant, or educative. All right, so a basic example of this is actually blogging, where you post content and aim of maybe getting a result back or probably getting conversions out of that. So, of course, this leads us to the next concept, which we'll be talking about, as email marketing. And email marketing involves developing a database of email subscribers to whom regular email campaigns and updates are sent regarding your product, services, and general business operations that concern them. This is a highly strategic digital marketing strategy, and like others, it takes time to nurture an email list until they turn into paying customers. Okay, it's actually a long process when you're talking about email marketing. Of course, you have to. It's a greater process where you have to first of all learn about the lead generation. Maybe when we're talking about the email marketing proper, you will learn how to generate leads. Probably via whether organically or paid, via Facebook ads, lead generation ads, or probably MailChimp and what have you. Okay, so the next concept I'm looking at is the marketing, that's the affiliate marketing rather. So the affiliate marketing works like a paid recommendation. That's where business owners pay affiliate marketers a commission to recommend their products. You can find this in a lot of places, on Twitter, or maybe social media platforms where you find the influencers. Okay, That's where you pay for influencers and then they package your product. And you can also see it in a lot of other e-commerce websites. And recently, even non-e-commerce websites or brands now adopt this means because it markets their products faster, where you probably have to sign up on the website and get a unique code and then more like a referral program. And then when you get another customer to sign up with your referral code, maybe to buy out of the website, you get a token out of it. Okay. So this is actually the digital marketing concepts that we'll probably be looking into in the next video. First, in the next video, we'll be looking at the essential tools that we need for this particular concept that we mentioned. Okay. So do consider subscribing to the channel so that you know when the next video is uploaded. That's the essential tools when it's uploaded. And of course, we'll be covering a lot more than the essential tools. And also, do consider clicking on the bell icon, so that you know when these videos are released. And if this is helpful to you and you want more of this to keep coming out, do consider hitting the like button, the thumbs up, so that you get to more people and help other people. Okay. So stay tuned and wait for the next video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.